complete data analysis platform designed to assist with your research projects. Good morning, welcome to ResearchTry, a complete analysis platform which helps to guide how to do data analysis. Also, on the results chapter, you can generate your complete data in a single result format. Also, you can calculate your sample size. First, we have to create a new thesis project. By selecting this, you just upload your working title. Enter your thesis working title. Impact of a deputy gas institution. You can upload a start topic or upload your file or master chart. Uploading your plan is also possible. The master chart should be in CSV or Excel format, and plans should be in PDF or Word format. You can just create the project now. Your project will be created. This is the master chart you uploaded. Review the master chart. This is the master chart. You have different options, whether it's a group, binary category, or continuous variable. You can also divide this into demographic, clinical, code, follow-up, and outcome. These were the values in your data. Set in the desired data, like in the age group. This is the numerical variable. Check whether it is continuous or not. This is the section where you can plan your result. First, demographic variables come in the result part. Then clinical. Second is comorbidity, laboratory for outcome, then follow-up outcome. Is the static visual generator section. You just upload your study title or objectives there, whether it is a cross-sectional, case control, or cohort study. If you have any group variable, like a binary outcome test or control group, you just select the group variable. Select the group variable for your study. Click the interface element as shown. Control label should be automatically selected whether it is test or control. Second, Center Test 3 will automatically apply according to Safarovic test, which is a test for the normalcy of data. You also upload your duration, like January 2025, to February 2026. So generate the result chapter. When you generate the result chapter, automatically the full analysis result plan will be generated. Click the result chapter text to view the study findings summary. The first table is generated to assess the normality of data according to the Jack-Wehner test. This test determines whether the data is normally or non-normally distributed. According to the normality, all the remaining tables will be completed. 1. First demographic table distribution of age. You can also change the table heading. This is the p-value. This automatically tests the chi-square test because all the expected cell counts were at least 0.5 given 6.5 greater than 5. This part of the solution also generates the figure automatically. Figure title should be same as the table title. You can change the x-axis like age group distribution. Here the x-axis will change automatically. You can increase or decrease the figure. Also increase or decrease the bar width. You can also change the frequency into the percentage variable. The data label will show the exact percentage. This is the count. You can change the percentage accordingly. Enter the percentage display option. We automatically write here the percentage value, same as for the remaining tables like age. Automatically, test and control mean the standard deviation because independent t-test is applied since the selected age was normally distributed. So this p-value is this. The t-test statistic value is 1.4 and the p-value is this. Same as you do for the remaining tables, here is the mean and standard deviation only. Now, distributed the frequency or percentage. So all the remaining tables are the same. You can download the individual graphs, or download the whole document in Word format, or you can also download it in Excel format. Here, you download it. This is also downloading the figure. The data result downloaded shows how the results section appears. This is the age group for the first distribution table. The result is in individual tables with the data analysis plan. In data analysis, you just replace the dataset, download the original, or download the current dataset. This is the original dataset we uploaded. You check it like this one. Select the group variable. Always remember one thing. All the variables showing the individual column should be expressed in the first row. You have to clean the data. You just check whether there are any missing values or not. If you have any missing values, you have 3 options. Keep as is, replace with mean, median, or self-replacement. For example, custom values you replace here. You want custom replacement, self-replacement, all down low. No missing values there. If you want to create any continuous data to numerical or category like this age is numerical data. If you want to create a new variable, just source it and add the new variable name, like each group. You can manually set cutoff values like less than 20, 20, 30, 40. You can use this like in this, only 21, 30, already 55. From 31 to 40, 70. If you want equal intervals, this will give an equal interval cutoff automatically. If you want quartiles, this one gives automatic quartiles. If you want a median split, and if you want any clinical category, like in the case of hemoglobin, this will show clinical categories like mild, moderate, normal, and severe according to this. Less than 7 is mild, 11 to 2. Like we have the age group, so we use the equal interval. Age group already there is group 2. Create variable. This is group 2 variable, automatically apply, and this is the equal interval now. Now, you just do the manual analysis. In the manual analysis, you have different options: frequency table, comparison, correlation, ROC curve, descriptive, cross-association, regression. You just select the frequency table, then select the category variable, age, sex, or any other you want to choose. In the frequency graph, percentage, decimal, p-value, next, generate the table. This table is generated. This was the frequency percentage, and this is the graph for that generated table. You can save this result. After this, the result will be saved here. If you want to do descriptive stats for age, BMI, hemoglobin, and SGOT, all 4 variables generate the table. This one automatically shows the immediate minimum and maximum. The graph is also there. This is the result. You can see for the group comparison table, continuous group, we already have a group variable like this. We design age, BMI, hemoglobin. Click the Next button to proceed. Click the Generate Table button to create the comparison table. This test controls mean and median based on the variability. If it is a parametric normal distribution, a normality test will apply. The same applies if this is a drop. You can save this result. Same is for the cross-association. Like group, you distribute gender, age group, or any other variable. Click the Generate Table button to create the cross-association table. This is a level 30. This one drops the same. You see the result. You can also do the correlation drop. Correlation of age with BMI. Next, you want to add age with hemoglobin. Age with hemoglobin and multiple variables. You can order the standard table. This one is variable Pearson correlation with the p-value, a non-significant or significant correlation. This is the graph of age and BMI. You can also save the result. This is for our equation. You can use 3 cases: simple linear, multiple, or binary logistic. For example, if you have group 1 or 2 and group A, BMI, hemoglobin, which variable will affect this? Next, the general table. This one shows the coefficient beta. The binary logistic regression will apply. What will be the likelihood of group assignment test to reason the A, BMI, hemoglobin levels, and most of the terms? The order of modem is the statistical significance likelihood ratio of the statistical significance and indicates the selected clinical and demographic variables collectively contribute to the differential to a treatment group. So it will again save the result, and the same thing we apply for the ROC, like the predictor variable is the same: age, BMI, hemoglobin. Next, generate the table. Area of cutoff value, sensitivity, specificity, positive, negative, p-value. This one is the graph. You can also save the result. The saved result you can download here as a Word file or as an Excel file. This is the final downloaded result. First, the age group, then the descriptive stress comparison table, BMI. This is the distribution of the cross-association table for cash currency value. This is the graph. This is the correlation table where we saw the age and BMI, and lastly, the low state regulation table. Thank you.